guys, my name is Kemana and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to do a little demo review of the new Maybelline foundation. This is the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation that just released it. It's barely new, so I wanted to give it a go. I wanted to try it. So yeah, I'm excited. I have absolutely nothing on my face. I just got out of the shower. I just have moisturizer and sunblock, and you can see us have a little acne scars left. And this bad boy that decided to pop on my face like 2 days ago. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So it's full coverage. It lasts up to 24 hours. It is a breathable and comfortable foundation. Fade and transfer. It's oil free, won't clog pores, and dermatology tested. Okay, so all of that to me is a plus right there, just because my skin is so sensitive, like anything makes it break out. So I'm number 220, natural beige. Let's give it a go. So on half of my face, I'm going to use my beauty blender, and on the other half, I'm going to use the new brush that I just got from e.l.f. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm not using any primer, and I'm also not going to set it just because my skin right now is super duper dry because I'm on Accutane. Honestly, I don't need to set anything with powder just because of that. My skin is so dry, so let's do this. Okay, I really like it. It has a pump. So that's a plus, it has a pump. Let's go ahead and use, I'm gonna put some on my hand, the back of my hand. And I'm just going to apply it. I have a mirror down here, so if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at a mirror. It smells like glue. And let's see. Is it my color? Oh, it is my shade. Perfect. This is definitely a full coverage foundation. It sets really quick though, so you want to work really quick with this product. Okay, I like it. Like I said, it sets really quick. It is not sticky. It has a really nice matte powdery finish, which I personally like, but I don't know how it's gonna work right now on my skin because I'm on Accutane, so my skin is super dry, so we'll see how it does during the day. But it pretty much covers all my scars, my acne scars. My skin looks super natural. Okay, so now I'm going to try the other side of my face with the brush, and I'm going to use this brush by e.l.f. This is a blending brush. It's a really dense brush. I'm gonna put another pump on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to add some. I'm just gonna do this everywhere on my face. Ooh, I think I like it better with the brush. It blends really quick. I'm getting a little rush right under my lips, and then my upper lip area is getting super dry because of Accutane. Like I have some like red patches right over here, and they're super dry. So I want to see how that's going to work during the day. I'm actually pretty scared, but we'll see. Yeah, I think I definitely like it better with the brush. For some reason, I don't know, I feel like it blends the product better. It just sets on my skin better. It did a pretty good job covering my acne scars. You can still see a little bit of it through, but it looks really natural. It looks really good. I really like it. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. It feels like I'm wearing nothing. It is not as sticky at all. It sets really quick on the skin, and it has a powdery finish, which I personally like. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my full face of makeup, and yeah, I really do like the foundation so far. My powder bronzer applied smoothly over the foundation. The same with my highlight and my blush. Let me get closer so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks really nice and really natural. Again, it's not sticky at all. It has a scent, it smells like glue. If that bothers you, then maybe this is not a foundation for you. It sets really quick onto your skin, and it sets to a matte powdery finish, which I personally like. It's just really soft. So right now it is 2:37 in the afternoon. So I will check in with you a couple of hours, and then at the end of the night, and let you know how the foundation is doing on my skin. Now keep in mind that right now my skin is super dry because I'm on Accutane. Okay guys, so I'm gonna check in with you. It is 6:38, so it's been exactly 4 hours. I don't feel oily. I don't look oily. It's pretty matte still, but not like super duper matte, but like a little bit of glow. You know what I mean? This first a little bit red still because I'm getting a little bit of a rush. My forehead, it's fine. It's not that bad. I mean, there's just a little bit onto my fine lines, but it's not a big deal. I feel like it looks good for 4 hours, and it's been really easy, so I've been running, sweating a little bit, but it looks really good. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup, which is so crazy because I usually can tell, you know? Okay guys, I will check in with you again at the end of the night. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back from work. I am so tired. It is... So I have officially worn this foundation for almost 8 hours. I got a lot of compliments on it, and I really like it. Like it still doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup. It's not sticky. It sets really nicely on the skin. My bronzer, my highlight, my blush look amazing. This part I kind of came off a little bit because when I apply my Aquaphor, I like go all over my lips because my lips are so dry. I have a habit of doing this, and I was eating late, you know. I was eating a lot of pasta, and just finished my Chinese food. It was delicious, and I just touched around my mouth a lot. So a few things that I should have mentioned at the beginning of the video, but I completely forgot. So this is the foundation. You get 1.0 fluid ounce. It has a pump, which I think is awesome. This retails on the website for $11.99. The color selection has many shades. It has 16 shades, so I feel like everybody can use it and try it. So overall, I really like this foundation. It doesn't look cakey, or it doesn't feel cakey at all, which is one of my biggest problems with a lot of foundations that are full coverage. So yeah, overall I think this is a great foundation. For the price, you can't go wrong. I would totally recommend this to everybody that anybody that has oily skin, normal to oily skin. Just don't forget to moisturize. And if you have dry skin, don't set it. I was reading on the website, the lightweight yet high impact coverage formula glides onto the skin with a flawless makeup finish that lasts all day. Oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested, which is a plus for me. And I totally agree with everything they just said up to this point. So yeah, this one is a go for me by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, to like, subscribe, and comment if you want. But it would be awesome. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.